Right, here now I'm going to show a simple example of 3-point perspective. So it's going to be similar to the 2-point, just added with an extra vanishing point. So again, date and sign. Now in this case, instead of putting my horizon line in the middle, I'm going to put my horizon line at the top. And the reason I do that is I need the space. I need 3 vanishing points, not 1, not 2. So again, I want a nice distance between them all. So 1 on the left, 1 on the right. And in this particular case, since I put it at the top, I need a vanishing point at the bottom. Again, somewhere like here. This is 3-point perspective, so I need 3 vanishing points. With 1 point it's 1, with 2 it's 2, and with 1 point, 1 set of lines go to the vanishing point. With 2 point, we have 2 sets of lines for 2 vanishing point, and of course with 3 vanishing points, 3 sets of lines. So there are no vertical or horizontal lines anymore. They all go to a vanishing point. So very simply, let's start off with the left and the right. We'll just draw a line, nothing complicated. This is going to be sort of my starting point, and then I can draw another one because this will be my top of my cuboid. There we go. Now everything else, well, not everything else, but the sides are for the 3rd vanishing point. And so I need on each corner, although that one's behind, so from the vanishing point we go like that. And then for the bottom we go sort of like this. And so we can see now, again I'm slightly off because I'm doing it by hand, we can see now I have, see I'm slightly off here, but you get the idea. Now I have my shape in 3-point perspective. And it's nice and simple, nothing complicated. Again, you can just rub things out to make it cleaner. And again, sometimes it's a bit difficult because you can end up with so many lines. You know, which one is which, but you can always rub that out and start again. So you can see these should go to 1 vanishing point, that goes to 1 vanishing point that way, and then these go this way. So there's our 2, and the 3rd one for the vertical. And if you notice, the view in effect is from here. So this is really a bird's eye view, which is why I put the 3rd vanishing point at the bottom.